Hi guys, it's Maaike. It's user stash number 11, gold leaving, and here's the card that I made for my best friend. He's also a gardener and he helps me a lot in my garden, to be honest, and his birthday is coming up. And this was version number 1, which I die cut first and then gold leafed, but those die cuts are too dainty. So I'm starting again with Stick It. And because I'm starting again, I forgot to put it on the back as well. And that's why I'm using Stick It, because it's nice and thin and you can use more layers. But, so I only have it on the front and I didn't make a sticker out of it. And yeah, it's fine, it worked. I mean, but if you do this, try to do it on both sides. And there wasn't glue everywhere. I think that's where the release paper has those little separations. There wasn't any sticky. And you will see it, now you can't really see it, but when I put the gold leafing on, it doesn't stick everywhere. Keep that bit of release paper and use it for your foam tape, so you don't gunk up your scissors too much. I have a few different, I don't have many, because they're very expensive and I couldn't decide. So I bought the basic. This is gold and rose gold, I think. And also have silver and gold from another brand that is a bit more affordable. But yeah. Use what you have. I mean, I like the gold, and my friend is very classical taste-wise. I say he likes copper things and stuff. So I chandeliers and yeah. Anyway, I made it for him, not for me. So I hope he likes it. See, I'm just dabbing it on, pressing it in, and then I'm using a foam tool. You can see that in the upper left or right screen, actually, sorry, and I'm polishing it with that. It works better than a brush, in my opinion. It doesn't scratch, and there's some bumps in it. I'm trying to rub them with my finger, but yeah, you can see where there's no Stick It in the middles, where the separation in paper is, or in the sheet. Cleaning it off with the dry sheets, the anti-static dry sheets, works a treat as well. And that's my tip for today. And I'm using Gummiapan dyes. This is Gracilis and this is Salvia. I have to say that doing it this way works much better. And yes, I left this in because I wanted to show you my self-healing mat. I do try to clean with a toothbrush because it leaves those little paper trails in there. And I think if you remove them, it helps with the self-healing. But I like it. I've been using it a lot last week. And yeah, you can see there's no tape there, but also the indents from the plate. And look how dainty this is and how pretty it looks. And so yeah, my battery died. But black or white, I was still trying to decide. This is, yeah. Oh, because the sticky is everywhere. The gold leafing sticks to it, of course, but I want it nice and dainty and not like the other one. If that's your taste and look, go ahead. But this is the sage or salvia. And then I need a third one, I think. So I'm rummaging through my stash of die cuts. And I found this from Marianne Design that I'm using, and another one that I got second hand, so I have no idea what brand that is, but it's user stash. It also didn't want to come out, so maybe that's why they destashed it. I don't know, it's the first time I'm using it. User stash. So I thought I needed a disc to anchor my arrangement of flowers, so I pulled out Memento inks and I didn't use it because I didn't like it. So I thought, you know how to ink blend, you don't need that, I'm not using it. Now I thought I'm putting a colored background in there, and yeah, the blue disc didn't make any sense, and it didn't even make sense on the blue on blue. I thought this one looks much more stylish, but then I didn't like the matting because the white, I didn't want to use black. I liked it on that packaging from the Gummiapan itself, but it's a birthday card, so you know. And yeah, this is a strip of sentiment I had, but I thought I made my own, and I matched it with WoW to the gold leafing. And I have rose and gold, and I used brass in the end. It's called metallic brass regular, and that's the exact same color, and it's also a bit darker, so it stands out more. If it blends in too much, then yeah, it makes it look blah. Yeah, more scraps to make a funnel. Really handy scraps. I did use my anti-static powder tool. I think I cut that off in the all the footage, but you know how to emboss as well. Look, it looks so pretty. And I switched sentiments as well. I want to use the simple sentiment strips from Whimsy on that white one. I wasn't sure it would fit on the blue, so I got a smaller one that's from Clearly Besotted. Tiny type. That strip is from matting it that I didn't use in the end, so you know, it was a bit of a process. I have to admit that I'm not sure I like it. So I made it with my friend in mind, and he's 10 years older than I am, so he you know, his taste is a bit more traditional. And I know he likes gold things and stuff, and he likes, you know, those old-fashioned Christmas cards that I don't make. So I thought I wouldn't make him very happy with a little cat on a balloon string or something. But I might, but he, you know what I mean. It's for him, it's not for me, and it's user stash. So I thought this is a good yeah, I don't know if I'm going to send it to him. Here's me faffing about again, because I thought if I don't use the disc, I can put it anywhere I want. Even if I use the disc, I can put the disc in a corner and chop off the sides, you know. I didn't even think about that. But the disc, for my taste, wasn't dark enough. So, you know, if you like the look, you've seen it, you can use it. I mean, I'm here just to provide ideas and my thought process, and help you remember you have a stash of gold leafing stuff that you haven't used in 5 years. Probably, if you like me anyway. Actually, I bought it because I saw a video from Clarity Stamps, and she made a whole landscape with it, and it's so fabulous. If I can find it, I will leave it down below in the description box. And I never attempted that, so I thought it was a step too far. A bit of foam tape to go over the stems, and then I'm using glossy accents like dewdrops, but they needed to dry. That's why I'm doing it yesterday, and I'm doing the voiceover today. And by the time it was dry, it was really dark, so my picture doesn't show up as blue. I think as it is, it looks more black, but it is blue. You can see it here. It's nice and navy, manly, I think, and yeah, traditional, but you know, plant oriented. We met at the allotment, which is like a rentable vegetable patch complex. So that's why this. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.